It's really important because that's the only valid reason to interfere. Not because mom wants her to like a certain color or wear certain clothes. There's nothing valid about that. Your daughter sounds like a cool kid, and even still who she is now doesn't mean anything about who she will become. I was the piercing obsessed, 13, hair dyed, hippie teen who now is a law professor. I'm still me, and also someone very different from teenage me. Let your daughter be who she is right now and hope that she allows you to get to know who future her is. If you don't stand up for her now, that's the cool person you're going to miss out on, and she will be right to distance from both of you. Also, these Monster High characters are super stylish. There's a Lady Gaga collab doll. I bet your daughter looks cool and stylish in her outfits, and somebody needs to tell your wife stop trying to make pastel happen. And to steal from my goddaughter's favorite retort, if she's 31, your wife's style was